Hi there, I'm Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia, and I'm here today to talk to you about the heated hose. The heated hose is one of the hose types that you can use in conjunction with your CPAP machine and the heated humidifier in order to get the night's rest that you deserved. The primary function of the heated hose is to ensure the moisture in the hose doesn't recondense back into water while you're asleep. When you use the hose in conjunction with the heated humidifier in the CPAP machine, it gives you warmer air in winter. And if you use the heated hose in conjunction with the BMC Lunar G3's brand new exclusive feature of the automatic heater, it helps prevent condensation buildup in the hose while you're sleeping. So this has been a very quick overview of what the heated hose does, why and how. I hope you've enjoyed our video. Click subscribe button below, and if you're interested in making a purchase for our auto CPAP package today, you can visit the drop down section below where you can find a code to get $50 off our standard package price. Once again, this has been Daniel from CPAP Solutions Australia. Thanks for watching and have a great day.